Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So I still think we're at a wave three on the pound dollar. I still think this is going to stretch out into a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most likely still all part of a crescent to the downtrend if you zoom way out on the monthly. But anyways, I do think it is going to go up and take out these highs, probably go all the way up to at least one of these higher Fibonacci's like the 161 or the 150 extension of wave one projected out the bottom of wave two. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I still think this right here is a wave one. I still think this is a running flat wave two. I still think we're already in a wave three. I think this is a one of three. I think this is possibly a two of three, which may or may not be over. I'm definitely leaning towards isn't over, but we'll definitely wait and find out. And eventually it should go up and finish off that wave three, eventually make a wave four and a wave five like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is why I say it's kind of debatable whether it's over or not. A lot of the dollar pairs to me do not look like they've ended a correction. I think this first push up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a one. I definitely think this is a correction for the wave two. Kind of looks like an A, B, C, D, E. Now this push up right here to me is very strong. As you can see, the pound has been very strong lately, but I still think there's a very good likelihood that we're actually going to push down again, maybe take out the low of wave four, go all the way down to about the 50% before we really do end this correction and go up for a wave three. So taking it down even further to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. This is a very impulsive move up, and it definitely looks like five waves. So you would kind of think that the next move would actually be a correction to the move up, like a wave B, and that it would go up and make a wave C, or possibly this is actually a wave one and it turns into a wave two and just keeps on going up for a wave three. Now you definitely would think that, but looking at some of the other dollar pairs, they all look like they may have already made, a ABC correction. So I'm still kind of wondering if this is actually going to go down, break structure, and even though it looks like a trend, it may be a motive wave correction, and it may just keep on trending down like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So for me at least, I definitely am still looking for shorts in a downtrend. I'm looking for a break of structure to the downside, a nice Fibonacci bounce to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a trend right here. I definitely see five waves right there. Now this correction is very, very shallow. It's kind of hard to say that it is a wave B, but some of the other pairs look like they've already formed a wave B. So I'm still kind of debating whether we are actually already in a wave C and that it could just go up, bounce off a fib level, go down, break structure, proving that it really is the end of a correction. And like I said, if I do see this picture right here, I definitely will take it as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. If you do not see this picture right here and you do trade below the 1 hour time frame, then I would probably continue to look for longs on those shorter time frames until you do see this picture right here. And once you do, you can stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.